Hello and welcome to the May 13th trade recap. So let's get into it, bruh. Euro USD super chopped today, and we had high impact news at 7:30, which is the time I normally trade. So I didn't even look at Euro USD today. And then for DJ, that was like a mock trade. I didn't actually trade because, as you can see, we were super overextended. They didn't really form a prominent high, and then we were just rallying all London session. But I could have taken a trade, because we did dip into the low. Then we had a 5-minute break of structure right here when this candle closed. Then 5-minute equilibrium formed. We tapped into it. Then we inversed the 1-minute fair value gap right here. So, but this was after 9 anyway, so I don't trade after 9, so it wouldn't matter anyway. But maybe in the future I might trade till like 10, but I don't know. But look at this. Would have hit 1 to 7 or basically 1 to 8 risk reward ratio pretty darn easily, dude. So I have no FOMO. I don't care that I missed that trade. I have absolutely zero FOMO. I'm that locked in, bro. So yeah, talk to me when you get on my level, and peace.